Hi. Hi. Let's get the daddy up, please. He's trying to put my hand in his mouth. Hi. Are you talking? Hi. Hi. You just love talking to us, huh? Hi, baby. Hi. You looking outside now? Oh, hiccups. Hi, Justin. Look over this way.
Oh, man.
Hi. I got my hand really tight. Look how tight he's holding it. Hi. You see Daddy?
Hey, buddy.
Is that Daddy behind you?
Justin.
Oh, he's got crazy eyes. Hi.
Justin. Hi,
Where's the
baby.
Daddy? Do you see him doing that? Where's the Dada? Oh, now you got this hand? Hi. You're a pretty guy. He loves looking out the window. Huh? We love you. We love you. What are you doing? Hi. What do you see? You like holding my finger, huh? You put my finger really tight. Huh? Hi there, little guy.
Got him up.
So many kisses. Look at that face. Can you smile for us? Are you going to smile? You're such a happy baby.
Right now.
Yeah. You're so happy. Hi. He's so squirmy. Look at his legs, too. Your little chicken legs. You ticklish? Are you ticklish? Huh? Yeah. Are you going to get a fresh diaper? You want a fresh diaper, don't you?
No one wants to see that.